Hi everyone, welcome back to Real English with Jack and Molly. I'm Molly.
And I'm Jack.
Today we're talking about how a family communicates in English from morning till night.
Honestly, I could use some help with that.
Really? Why is that?
Because in my house, we kind of just grunt at each other in the morning.
Ha, that's funny, but I think that's pretty normal actually.
Is it? I thought families in English-speaking countries talk a lot more.
Some do, some don't. It really depends on the family.
Okay, so where do we start with the morning?
Yeah, let's start with the morning. What's your alarm like?
My alarm goes off at 6:30, and I just lay there for like 10 minutes.
10 minutes? That's rough.
I know. My mom always says, "You're gonna be late again."
Ha! That sounds like a classic mom line.
It really is. She says it almost every single day.
So what happens after that?
Well, I finally get up and we say good morning kinda quickly.
Quick, like just morning, and that's it?
Pretty much, yeah. Maybe a "did you sleep okay?"
That's actually a great phrase to know. Did you sleep okay?
Right, it's short, but it shows you care.
Exactly. In my family, mornings are a bit different.
Really? How so?
We actually eat breakfast together most days.
Wait, every day? That sounds intense.
Ha, not intense. Just a habit we built over time.
What do you guys talk about at breakfast?
Usually just small stuff, like our plans for the day.
Give me an example.
My dad might say, "I've got a meeting this morning, so I'll be home late."
Oh, that's useful. I've got a meeting instead of I have a meeting.
Right, that's more natural in spoken English.
Got it. So it's kind of like giving a quick daily update.
Exactly, a quick update before everyone leaves the house.
That actually sounds nice. My family doesn't really do that.
Why not, do you think?
I guess everyone's just rushing in the morning.
Yeah, mornings can be chaotic for a lot of families.
Totally. My sister is always looking for her phone.
Ha, that's a classic morning problem too.
It really is. She'll shout, "Has anyone seen my phone?"
That's a great sentence to remember, by the way.
Has anyone seen my phone? Yeah, I say that too, honestly.
See, that's real, natural English right there.
Okay, so morning communication is quick and simple, mostly.
Right, quick check-ins, short questions, small updates.
Got it. What about the afternoon?
Afternoon is interesting because everyone's usually apart.
Yeah, my parents are at work and I'm at school.
So how do you guys communicate during the day?
Mostly texting, actually. Quick messages here and there.
That's really common now. What do the messages usually say?
Simple things like, "Don't forget your umbrella," or "Lunch is in the fridge."
Ha, that second one made me hungry just now.
Same. Honestly, food messages are the best kind.
Do your parents ever call you during the day?
Sometimes, but usually just if something important comes up.
Like what, for example?
Like once my mom called because our dog ran away.
Oh no, really? What happened?
We found him pretty fast, but it was stressful for a bit.
I bet. Did you say anything funny during that call?
I actually said, "Wait, he runned away?"
Ha, close, but the correct form is ran away.
Oh, right. Run, ran, run. I always mix that up.
It's a common mistake. Don't worry about it.
Thanks. Okay, so afternoons are mostly texting and quick calls.
Right. Short and practical communication. Nothing too deep.
What about families who work from home, though?
Good question. That's actually a different situation completely.
How so?
Well, my cousin works from home, and her family talks more during the day.
Because they're actually together in the house.
Exactly. So they'll casually chat during lunch breaks.
That sounds nice, but also maybe distracting sometimes.
Yeah, she says it can be both, honestly.
I guess every family finds their own balance.
Exactly. There's no one right way to do it.
Okay, now I'm curious about evenings.
Evenings are usually when families talk the most, actually.
Yeah, that makes sense. Everyone's finally home.
Right, and dinner is a big part of that.
Does your family always eat dinner together?
Most nights, yeah, unless someone's working late.
What do you guys usually talk about at dinner?
Mostly how everyone's day went.
Like, how was your day?
Exactly. That's the classic opening question.
I always feel like my answers are boring, though.
Ha! What do you usually say?
I just say, it was fine, and that's it.
That's actually really common, but try adding one detail.
Like what?
Like, it was fine, but I've got a big test tomorrow.
Oh, that gives more information for people to ask about.
Exactly. It kind of opens the conversation up more.
Okay, I'll try that tonight, actually.
Nice. Let me know how it goes.
Definitely. So evenings are more relaxed and detailed then?
Right, there's more time. So conversations go deeper.
Do families ever argue at dinner, though?
Of course, that happens too, honestly.
What kind of things cause arguments?
Usually small things like screen time or chores.
Oh yeah, my parents always say, put your phone away at dinner.
That's a pretty common rule in a lot of homes.
It is, but I don't always follow it, to be honest.
I think a lot of people can relate to that.
What about after dinner? What happens then?
After dinner, my family usually just relaxes separately.
Like watching TV or doing homework?
Exactly. Everyone kinda does their own thing.
So is there any talking after that?
Yeah, usually short check-ins before bed.
Like what?
Like, did you finish your homework? Or don't stay up too late.
Ha, my mom says that second one every single night.
It's a very common goodnight phrase, honestly.
What do people usually say before going to sleep?
Simple things like good night, sleep well.
That's easy to remember, at least.
Exactly. Short and warm. That's the goal at night.
Okay, so let's talk about problems now. Is that okay?
Sure. What kind of problems are you thinking about?
Well, first, I think phones are a big problem.
Why do you say that?
Because everyone's looking at their phone instead of talking.
Yeah, that's a really common issue in a lot of families now.
Does your family have that problem too?
Sometimes, especially with my younger brother.
What happens?
He'll be on his phone and we'll ask him something twice.
Ha, that happens in my house too, honestly.
It's frustrating, but it's also just normal life now.
Yeah, I guess phones are just everywhere.
Right, so families have to make small rules sometimes.
Like no phones at dinner?
Exactly. That's a really common rule.
Okay, what's the second problem, do you think?
I'd say different schedules can be a problem too.
Because everyone's busy at different times?
Exactly. Work, school, activities, it's all different for everyone.
So how do families deal with that?
A lot of families use a shared calendar or messages.
Oh, like writing plans down somewhere everyone can see?
Exactly. That helps avoid confusion.
That's smart, honestly. My family should try that.
It really does help a lot.
Okay, what's the third problem you wanted to talk about?
I think misunderstandings are a big one too.
Like when people say something and it comes out wrong?
Exactly. Tone can get lost, especially in text messages.
Oh, that happens to me all the time.
Can you give an example?
Sure, once I texted my mom, fine, whatever, and she got upset.
Yeah, that phrase can sound cold in text.
I didn't mean it that way, though.
I know, but without your voice or face, it's easy to misunderstand.
So what should I have said instead?
Maybe something like, okay, that works for me.
Oh, that sounds much friendlier, actually.
Right, small word choices really do matter in family communication.
That's a really good point, honestly.
Do you have a personal story about a misunderstanding?
Yeah, actually, once I said, I'm done about my homework.
Okay, what happened?
My mom thought I meant I was done trying completely.
Oh no, that's a big misunderstanding.
It really was. We had a whole conversation about it.
What did you learn from that?
I learned to be more specific when I explain things.
That's a great lesson, honestly.
Do you have a mistake story too?
Yeah, actually, when I first learned English, I said, I'm boring instead of I'm bored.
Ha! That's a classic mistake a lot of learners make.
It really is. My host family looked so confused.
I bet. What's the difference again? Exactly.
I'm bored means you feel that way. I'm boring means you make others feel that way.
Oh, that makes total sense now.
Yeah, it's a small difference, but it changes everything.
Thanks for explaining that clearly.
No problem at all. That's what I'm here for.
Okay, so what do you personally think helps family communication the most?
Honestly, I think small daily habits matter more than big talks.
Like what kind of habits?
Like always saying good morning or asking how someone's day went.
I actually agree with that now that I think about it.
Do you think differently before this conversation?
Kinda, yeah. I thought big conversations mattered more.
That's interesting. What changed your mind?
Just hearing about these small daily moments, honestly.
Yeah, small moments really do add up over time.
Okay, before we finish, can you review some useful phrases?
Sure, let's do a quick recap for everyone listening. First, did you sleep okay? Is a nice morning question. Second, I've got a meeting is a natural way to share plans. And third, how was your day is a classic evening opener.
Those are all really useful, honestly.
One practical takeaway is this: small, simple questions build strong family communication.
I really like that idea. It feels easy to actually use.
Exactly. You don't need big words, just consistent small talk.
Thanks for this conversation today, Molly.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
Keep practicing a little English every day.
And we'll see you in the next episode of Real English with Jack and Ma Lee.